In this video I'm going to show you how to add links to your YouTube channel. So make sure you are logged into your YouTube account, and once you are there, click on your profile icon. Now go to YouTube Studio and you will be redirected to here. Scroll all the way down and there you will find settings. Click on that. And as you can see, we have some different options over here. What we will do, click on upload defaults, and what you can do is you can add some links over here in this description. So once you are uploading a video, the link will automatically be added in your description of the video. The next step is go to the customization option and then scroll all the way down, and there you will find add links. So click on that. Let's say we would like to add our Instagram, and then you can just copy and paste the URL over here. So that is basically how you add a link to your channel, and then just click on publish to save it. Once you have done that, the link will appear underneath your description of your channel. And that is how you add links to your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.